Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be fixing the Roblox error code 280. So guys, just run through these fixes. Firstly, on PC, just open Roblox and it should auto-update when you launch the game. If it doesn't, uninstall Roblox, then download the latest version from the Roblox official website. So just type in Roblox download, go to the official website, and download the official website. This is always going to be the latest version. Also guys, just merely restart your device. So I've had this once where I had to update the game, but the update did not take effect until after a reboot. Also guys, you might want to clear the cache in your browser, so just press on Ctrl-Shift-Delete and press on Delete Data. And lastly guys, you can also check the Roblox server status. So for example, just go up here and refresh the page, and you should see this green block over here. If it's green, all good. Move to the next fix. Guys, also if nothing helps out of these fixes, just to reinstall Roblox. So just pretty much just delete it from your system. Now go back to the official website and re-download the app, and this should fix you. Guys, if this helped you, I hope it did. Leave a comment if maybe you need some further help, and in general, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.